Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to make clickable link on Facebook post. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to log in or open your Facebook account. And then what you're going to do here is you have to make sure also that you are using the latest version of your application. Now, same goes with your mobile. All you have to do is to go to what's on your mind and look for that article that you want to post here. For example, this one right here, you want to post this. So you just have to select all, tap this one and then copy, and then go back to your Facebook, tap what's on your mind, and then right click and then paste. Now you have to wait as it is loading, the picture, and then you have to remove this and then change the title or the caption of your post. Now, sometimes when you post this one, it will not appear in the picture, only the article. There are some articles like that, but there are also articles that you can see the picture like this. It's the same thing. So you just have to copy the site or URL of that website and then paste it on your Facebook and then remove and change the title or caption. And once the person or the user of the Facebook tap this one, it will take them directly to that website. As easy as that. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.